Good morning, friends. Today start the new chapter, chapter number 6, lines and angles. So we'll have basic terms and definition. सबसे पहले points. Points means a point is an exact location. Point is an exact location and is represented by a fine dot made by a sharp pen on a sheet of paper is called a point, right? Exact location means point represented by is capital A, and these are the point A, right? Capital A is a point shown in the figure. It's a point means a point is an exact location is represented by a fine dot made by a sharp pen on a sheet of paper. Clear? First is clear point. Now number two is a line. कि line is the collection of point. कि बहुत सारे collection of point, collection of point है, ठीक है, dot collection of points which have only length, not breadth. Only क्या length है, not breadth and thickness and no thickness. Is it clear? कि only length is called as a line. Okay, now line AB, A and B, line AB. Now another is line P and Q point. तो line रीड करना क्या करना, line AB, line PQ. अब now number third is a ray. क्या ray a part of line with one end point. रे में क्या होगा, वन एंड पॉइंट होगा, तो वन एंड पॉइंट and is called a ray, and the ray AB is represented by end point AB. B is the end point. ray AB रीड कैसे, जैसे सपोज दिस टाइप ऑफ नाउ पॉइंट P and Q, तो ray PQ. The ray AB has one end point, namely A is called the initial point. A is the initial point, starting point A and end point B, and the array has no definite length. Ray has no definite length. Is it clear? Up now next is a line segment. Line segment means a part of line with two end point. A part of line with two end point is called a line segment. Is it clear? A part of line with two end point is called a line segment. Now two end point means A and B. The line segment AB. Now another point A and point B, P and Q. The line segment PQ. A part of line with two endpoints is called a line segment. Is it clear? तो for definition clear हो गई कि point, line, ray and line segment. Is it clear? They are point. They are the ray, the A and ray AB, and now line AB and line segment AB. अब now collinear and non-collinear points. कि if three or more than 3 points कि lie on the same line, they are is called as a collinear. Suppose कि now P, Q and R, figure 1, and now another figure is a triangle A, B and C, triangle ABC, right? Another figure. If three or more than 3 points lie on the same line, they are is called as a collinear. Figure 1 and figure 2. Otherwise they are is called as a non-collinear. They are called a they are called non-collinear points. The PQR is a collinear. PQR is a collinear. PQ and R are collinear points, and this figure 2 point, figure A, B and C are non-collinear. A, B and C, A, B and C are non-collinear points. Clear होगा collinear points and non-collinear points के 3 and more than 3 points lie on the same line तो collinear. इस same line में now another example is x, y and z. X, y, z is a collinear. Now triangle x, y, z, x, y, z, x, y, z is a, this figure is non-collinear and this figure is a collinear points. Is it clear? એટલે collinear and non-collinear point clear हो गया? Yes. अब question in the figure, in the given figure, write the name of line segment and ray. उसमें लाइन सेगमेंट कितने फिगर है कि फिगर उसमें हमको फाइंड करना, क्या करना है, लाइन सेगमेंट कितने और रे कितने वो फाइंड करना, राइट. लाइन सेगमेंट फर्स्ट से पहला ये मिलेगा कि लाइन सेगमेंट इजी. फर्स्ट क्या आएगा, हियर सॉल्यूशन सॉल्व कर रहे हो कि लाइन सेगमेंट जीई, लाइन सेगमेंट जीई, दिस पॉइंट लाइन सेगमेंट जीई. नाउ कॉमा लाइन सेगमेंट जीपी, लाइन सेगमेंट जीपी and line segment EP whole, first A, second A or now third whole, and line segment EP, three line segment. Is it clear? And now ray EF, ray GH and ray PQ and a line segment. अब now ray R line segment and ray EF comma ray GH. देखो स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट यहाँ से स्टार्ट, इनिशियल पॉइंट ए है जी, तो GH एंड पॉइंट H, स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट E, EF स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट P एंड स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट PQ, स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट PQ. All are rays. Is it clear? हो गया rays clear. अब now intersecting lines and non-intersecting lines. Intersecting line and non-intersecting. Now two figure is there. First, second, P, Q, R and S. Now is point intersect point O, intersect point O. Now figure 1. Now another figure A, B, C and D, right? A, B, C and D. Figure 1 and figure 2. These are figure 1 and figure 2. So now line PQ and line PQ and line RS are intersecting lines because they are intersect at which point is a O. Okay, line PQ and line RS both are intersect at point O. Is it clear? This figure is a intersecting line. Is it clear? Now one more example. Now A and B, C and D intersect at small p. Yeah, P. So which point intersect? Point P. Is it clear? And now non-intersecting line. Non-intersecting line means another name is a parallel. Is a parallel lines. कि line PAB and line CD both are parallel. Both are the length of the common line AB and line CD both are parallel. Is it clear? Intersect नहीं होगा बेटा कि दोनों के लाइन पैरेलल कि नाउ one more example, PQ and QR, sorry, PQ and XY, PQ and XY, PQ and XY are parallel line and this line are intersecting line. Is it clear? Now next topic is angle. Now angle is A point, B and C. These are the angle A, B, C. And now arms. These are the arms. It is also arms. And B point is vertex. Right? B is vertex. In the figure, by the two ray means ray BA and ray BC. Okay, two ray with the same initial point. देखो two ray दोनों का same initial point कौन सा होगा? A B and A. Initial point B, right? Starting point. Now another ray is, these are B and C. Ray BA and ray BC. It's a common point कि in the figure two rays with the same initial point, दोनों का same initial point कौन सा B हुआ? तो is called a angle. Is it clear? Now one more example is PQR, ray QR, ray QP and ray QR. Ray QP and ray QR in the form two rays is QP and QR. The same initial point is Q, is called a angle. So these are the angle. Is it clear? Angle defined. Okay, clear? In the above figure, the common initial point B is known as a vertex of the angle. ये B क्या है? Vertex of the angle. Q is a vertex of the angle. And ray BA and BC forming the angle are is called the arms or sides. उसको arms बोलते हैं कौन से बेटा? ray BA and BC forming the angle are is called arms and sides. Is it clear? हो गया clear? अब now types of angle. How many types of angle? There are the 5 types of angle. First one is acute angle, second is a right angle, third one is a obtuse angle, fourth one is a straight angle, and now fifth is a reflex angle. Clear हो गया कि acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle and reflex angle. Clear? के टाइप्स ऑफ एंगल में फर्स्ट एक्यूट एंगल मीन्स एंगल हुज मेजर इज मोर देन जीरो से ज़्यादा, मोर देन जीरो बट लेस देन 90 इज कॉल्ड एक्यूट एंगल. क्लियर हो गया बेटा? क्या है कि एंगल हुज मेजर इज मोर देन जीरो से ज़्यादा बट लेस देन 90 इज कॉल्ड एन एक्यूट एंगल. मीन्स these are the figure कि B ray OB and ray OA is initial point O. This angle is acute angle. The angle AOB is angle acute angle. So now 0 degree less than angle AOB less than 90. Is it clear? Acute angle means more than 0 but less than 90. Then now angle AOB is an acute angle. Is it clear? Angle AOB is an acute angle. Now number 2 is a right angle. An angle whose measure is 90. An angle whose measure is 90 is called a right angle. Is called a right angle. Is it clear? Okay, now ray BA and OB, and this angle is a right angle. Now right angle. Okay, angle whose measure is 90. Measure is 90. So is called a right angle. And now angle AOB. Angle AOB is a right angle. So therefore angle AOB equal to 90 degree. 90 degree. 90 degree. So now and OB and BO and BO perpendicular means 90 degree perpendicular, BO perpendicular OA. Is it clear? Now one more figure is a O, P and Q. This angle is a right angle. So now angle POQ equal to 90 degree, and now PO perpendicular OQ. PO perpendicular OQ. Perpendicular बड़ा means तब angle हो गया 90 degree. Is it clear हो गया? Now angle whose measure is 90 degree, and acute angle. The acute angle क्या है बड़ा? कि 0 more than 0 but less than 90 degree. तो is called a acute angle. फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड क्लियर हो गया?